Are you looking for the best tankless gas water heaters for your home? In this video we will look at some of the best tankless gas water heaters for your home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Rinnai RU199 in High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. For energy efficiency and the ability to produce enough hot water for an average household, it's hard to beat the Rinnai RU199 in High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. This super high-efficiency condensing unit recycles hot exhaust gases through its system to reduce energy waste and lower utility bills. It features a hearty 11 GPM of hot water flow and comes with 199,000 maximum BTU input capability, so owners needn't choose between running a load of laundry or taking a long, steamy shower. The RU199 makes use of Thermocirc 360 technology that recirculates a bit of warm water through the home's water lines to ensure that you won't have to wait annoying minutes after turning on the faucet to have piping hot water. The RU199 also comes with Wi-Fi monitoring, so it can program the pre-circulation times, such as when owners get up in the morning, while also allowing them to check the unit's efficiency from a tablet or smartphone. This unit is available in either a natural gas or propane model, both of which are 40% more efficient than tanked options on the market. At number 2. Rinnai V53 DEP High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. Those who are hoping to conserve energy without spending a lot on a gas tankless water heater will want to consider the non-condensing Rinnai V53 DEP High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. This tankless propane water heater is designed for outdoor installation and will provide up to 5.3 GPM hot water flow. Depending on the ground temperature, colder temperatures can reduce hot water flow. This affordable water heater is well suited to small homes in warm rural areas where temps remain above freezing all year and where natural gas is not piped into the home. It's also suitable for seasonal vacation homes where it can be drained and shut down during cold months. It comes with a maximum BTU output of 120,000, so it will provide enough hot water for a small one-bathroom home or a vacation cabin where showers are staggered. At number 3. Rinnai RU180 in High Efficiency Tankless Water Heater. Reliability meets user-friendliness in the Rinnai RU180 in Tankless Water Heater. This heavy-duty model has a maximum output of 10 GPM, which can provide water to over 5 appliances at a time, all while having a power output of over 180,000 BTUs. This Rinnai is also equipped with an Energy Star certification and a uniform energy factor of 0.95, making it effective but also light on the energy bill. It also has a condensing feature that seals in as much heat as possible before releasing through the ventilation system. Finally, the Rinnai RU180 in indoor unit is the size of a small suitcase, so it won't take up a lot of space. What our tester says, Debbie Wolf, Bob Vila editor and product tester, says about this tankless water heater: when it came time to replace my old tank water heater, my plumber highly recommended Rinnai due to its reputation for quality. He determined the 180,000 BTU 10 GPM model best fit my family's hot water needs. The appliance heats the water quickly and is easily adjustable via the straightforward display on the front of the machine. I especially like that it doesn't take up floor space in my basement, it fits neatly on the wall. There is a slight delay in hot water delivery first thing in the morning, when the tank has not been used for hours. However, once it's activated, the hot water is readily available for the rest of the day. At number 4. Camplux 5L 1.32 GPM Tankless Water Heater. Enjoy hot water wherever you go, even if camping or off the grid, with the Camplux Tankless Water Heater. This propane-powered water heater is designed to provide up to 1.32 GPM, supplying enough hot water to take a short shower or wash dishes. At just 34,000 BTUs, the Camplux won't heat enough water to run a household, but it will be a welcome addition where no other source of hot water is to be found. The igniter on the water heater requires 2 D-cell batteries, or plug it into a standard outlet, when available. The Camplux can be paired with a 12-volt water pump to increase water pressure, and the 10-pound unit comes with a handle that can be hung over a hook or a strong tree limb. Lightweight, compact and portable design, the 10 pounds lightweight portable water heater's folding handle keeps it out of the way and enables easy setup outside. Flow rate and temperature specification. The temperature raise is 114.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 46 degrees Celsius, at its highest point in 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees Celsius, is at its lowest point of 1.32 GPM. Also, 1.32 gallons of hot water can be produced per minute at the flow rate of 1.32 GPM. Versatile applications: the lowest water pressure at beginning for the water heater is 3.0 psi. For off-grid and rural areas, this hot water generator powered by 2 size D batteries is ideal. No more chilly outdoor shower anymore. 6-in-1 protection and CSA safety approved. This tankless water heater is CSA approved with anti-freezing protection, overheating protection, low water flow protection, dry combustion protection, high water pressure protection and flame failure device. Installation instruction and package content. This Camplux AY132 heater comes with 1-year guarantee, 5 feet premium on-off shower head, 5 feet gas regulator, 1 set US standard garden hose, and 1 installation hardware pack. Setting up this propane water heater simply takes 10 minutes. Important installation tip: to avoid gas leakage caused by improper sealing of the water heater, do not twine Teflon tape between gas regulator and gas inlet pipe. Read the directions before installation. Check for gas leaks at all times before operating. Warm maintenance tips: damage caused by freezing is not covered under Camplux warranty. It must be properly drained if the water heater stored in cold climate. Freeze damage can occur in the heat exchanger or water valves. To drain the device properly, please open the drain stern located at the bottom right of the water heater. You can do so by turning in a counterclockwise direction. Please disconnect all incoming and outgoing water lines to ensure proper drainage from the water heater. When not in use, fully disconnect gas, incoming and outgoing water lines. Store in a warm, dry place.